Welcome to account class students. Students, today you are starting accounts class. Okay. Firstly, I am giving some introduction to you. First, what is accounting? It's a subject, unknown subject to us. Okay. Accounting is the process of recording transactions. Actually, process of recording transactions is called accounting. Not only transactions, in accounts, financial transactions are recorded. That means the transactions which are measured in terms of money, they are recorded. Clear? So in transaction, you see, there must be two parties. There must be two parties. Number two, something is given or taken. Number three, it's measured in terms of money. Measure in terms of money, that means while your father is giving you a shirt, any gift, you are not measuring. We never measure what's the value. But when you are purchasing something from the seller, suppose you are purchasing a book from the seller, so we measure in terms of money what's the value of the book. When you are selling something, we measure what's the value of the goods. Okay? So while we are giving or taking something, it is measured in terms of money, is called financial transactions. Clear? Next. Transactable item. Transactable items, that means which are transacted, that means which is purchased or sold. In general, which is purchased or sold, these are called transactable items. Everything is not transactable in the world. You cannot sell your hand, you cannot sell the moon, you cannot purchase the Ganges. So transactable items, that means that can be sold or purchased or transferred from one person to another person in exchange of money. These are called transactable items. They may be visible or invisible. Visible item, that means that can be seen. Suppose you are purchasing furniture, TV, radio, fridge, book, food items, vegetables. These are called, these are actually visible. Visible, that means that we can see, touch. Okay, we can purchase it, such as furniture, books. We sell and purchase it, and it may be invisible. Invisible, that means that cannot be seen. Invisible items can be purchased or sold, such as you are purchasing electricity. You are purchasing electricity. Electricity cannot be seen. We are purchasing medical treatment. That means you are paying something to the doctor. Doctor is selling you what? The medical treatment is treatment that cannot be seen. You are giving money to the tutor, and tutor is selling you the knowledge, education. Education cannot be seen. There are so many invisible items that can be purchased or sold, such as salary, that is labor, wages, rent, transportation, communication. So many invisible items that can be seen, that cannot be seen, but we can purchase and sell. These are actually visible and invisible. In business, we can hear the term goods. GWDS, goods, not good. Goods, that means that thing that is purchased for resale in the business is called goods. That is purchased for resale in the business is called goods. Suppose in a garment shop, the shop owner purchased furniture, fan, AC, calculator, and also garments. But the item garments, this is purchased for resale. So in the garment shop, garment is goods. In the rice shop, rice is goods. In a furniture shop, furniture is goods. So goods is that item that is purchased for resale. It's called goods. Another important term, voucher. Voucher, that means documents. Voucher is actually documents on which basis we record the transactions. In the business or any organization, we record the transactions. All the transactions are recorded on the basis of voucher or documents. Actually, without documents, supporting documents, you cannot record any transaction. Okay? So voucher is a document or basis of transaction. Document, that is on which basis we record the transactions. Here, another aspect of recording transactions is separate unity of business or separate unity of organizations. That means we record transactions on behalf of the organization. It may be school, it may be in business unit, it may be college, it may be club, okay, but not on behalf of the owner. In accounting system, owner and the entity of the organization are separated. Here owner is considered an outsider. So we record transactions on behalf of the organization, not on behalf of the owner. Suppose you are purchasing a TV set from Capital Electronics. You can see the voucher, that means documents, maybe cash memo or invoice, is given to you, but on the top of the voucher, Capital Electronics is written, not the name of the owner. So who is transacting with you? The Capital Electronics, not the owner. Clear? So while you are transacting, we should get supporting voucher or cash memo or any documents. On the top of the documents, you can see the name of the business or name of the organization, not the name of the owner. So the organization is transacting with you, not the owner. Clear? Another term you can get services. Services, that means we discussed earlier the transactable items actually that cannot be seen. Invisible items can be transacted. You can purchase knowledge from the teacher or education from the school or treatment from the doctor, communication facilities from Hutch or Airtel or Jio, or you can purchase the labor from the laborer. You can purchase the skill from any technologies. So these items cannot be seen. You can purchase electricity, cannot be seen. Actually, these are called services. So invisible items that we are purchasing or selling, these are called services. Clear? Such as salary, wages, electricity, rent. You are paying house rent 2,000 to the house owner. That means you are purchasing the staying facilities. You are purchasing the staying facilities for 1 month, and hence you are paying for it. You are paying rupees 20 to the bus conductor for carrying you or for transporting you from bus up to Kolkata. So you are purchasing the transportation facilities that cannot be seen, hence you are paying. You are paying the doctor 200 rupees, that means you are purchasing the treatment. You are paying 500 rupees to a private tutor, that means you are purchasing education that cannot be seen. Okay, actually services that cannot be seen, these are unseen part of the transactions. The transactions, transactable item which cannot be seen, actually these are called services. Goodbye students. Next day we will meet you same time and place. Thank you.